The Aixam Crossline is a compact, lightweight vehicle designed primarily for urban use. It is classified as a quadricycle, which means it falls under a different regulatory category compared to traditional cars. Here are some key details about the Aixam Crossline. General information. Manufacturer: Aixam, a French company specializing in microcars. Category: quadricycle, lightweight four-wheeled vehicle. Target market: urban drivers, often those who do not require a full driver's license. Depending on local regulations. Design and features. Body style: compact, two-door design with a small footprint, making it ideal for city driving and parking. Seating capacity: typically seats to passengers. Cargo space: limited storage space, suitable for small bags or groceries. Engine and performance. Engine type: usually equipped with a small diesel or petrol engine, or an electric motor in some models. Power output: low power output, typically around 5 to 15 kilowatts, 7 to 20 horsepower, suitable for low-speed urban driving. Top speed: limited to around 45 to 50 kilometers per hour, 28 to 31 miles per hour. To comply with quadricycle regulations. Transmission: often comes with an automatic transmission for ease of use. Dimensions: length, approximately 2.3 to 2.5 meters, 7.5 to 8.2 feet. Width, around 1.3, 1.5 meters, 4.3 to 4.9 feet. Height, roughly 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet. Weight, lightweight, typically around 350 to 450 kilogram, 770 to 990 pounds. Fuel efficiency. Fuel consumption, highly efficient, with diesel models often achieving around 3 to 4 liters per 100 kilometers, 78 to 94 mpg. Electric models offer zero emissions and are ideal for short-distance urban commuting. Safety and compliance. Safety features: basic safety features such as seat belts, but lacking advanced safety systems found in larger vehicles. Compliance: meets European quadricycle safety and emissions standards. Licensing. Driver's license. In many countries, the Aixam Crossline can be driven with a lower category license, for example, AM license in Europe, making it accessible to younger drivers or those without a full car license. Market position. Use case: ideal for urban commuters, elderly drivers, or those looking for an economical and easy-to-park vehicle. Competitors: other microcars and quadricycles like the Ligier AXO, Microcar MGO, and Renault Twizy. The Aixam Crossline is a practical solution for city dwellers who need a simple, efficient, and easy-to-maneuver vehicle for short-distance travel.